Today, our batch of PGDCA has made sous-vide products by using sous-vide method. In sous-vide method, there are various components that are used, and we have prepared 5 dishes. The dish names are sous-vide beans, parsley fillet, and 63-degree egg with hollandaise. The next dish is sous-vide beef loin with ragi risotto and jus emulsion. The third dish is Indian salmon with millet pops and charred leek and Maltese sauce. The fourth dish is chicken breast, potato fondant, beetroot, galette, sous-vide carrots, red wine reduction. And the last dish is sous-vide creme brulee. More components on this will be explained by Anand.
Okay, greeting of the day. So in sous-vide method, what does sous-vide mean? Sous-vide means under vacuum in French. In sous-vide cooking, we have used generally 2 machines. One is vacuum packing machine, in which we use vacuum plastic packets. We put the marinated vegetables, meat, everything, and we vacuum pack in this machine. And the other machine we have used is thermal immersion circulator. This is basically sous-vide machine in which the temperature you can see here. You can set temperature here. Inside you can see this thermal balls, which will help you to not let your ingredients flow. And you can see there is one pump which helps the total water to circulate inside the machine. So these are the 2 basic machines we used in sous-vide method, sous-vide cooking. And other than that, we have the various components which we made, such as beans, carrots, and eggs by this one.